I'm gonna try and show you what we brought in our side soft bags. We both brought sleeping bags, so they were put in waterproof stuff sacks with compression socks. So inside of our each we had the sleeping bag, our air mattress, and our blow-up pillows all fit in the 10-liter compression stuff sack that we waterproof that we got from Mountain Equipment. Now this was Mike's side. It was larger than my side, so he carried some of my stuff in here as well. So inside here we both had pretty much similar shoes. We both had a pair of extra shoes that packed up nice and small. He had a pair of pants that was just loosely folded in there. He carried both of our really lightweight towels and microfiber, so they dried really quickly and packed up small. We shared one toiletry kit. It was quite big, so I'd probably pare that down next time. Then he had his stuff sack of clothing. This is the cover for the bike, which we used anytime we thought the area was sketchy, or we thought it might rain, or if it was like fog was going to roll in, so we didn't want the bike to get wet. We would cover the bike with a waterproof cover. This was Mike's heated jacket. He didn't use his very much, except for just as a jacket around town. I used mine, especially once we got to the coast. I used both my heated gear. I had heated jacket and heated pants. On the side pouch, on one side he has room to spare, but our wine glasses, which are very flexible and silicone, so they were nice and soft and malleable. And that also gave us space inside to pack wine if we chose to buy some. We also brought coffee, of course, that's important. And let's see if there's anything else on this side. No, that side's empty. And on this side, we had the fuel for our stove. I'm not sure if there's anything else in here. It's kind of like Christmas. At the bottom of it was our first aid kit. Just a little one, nothing major, but if we needed a band-aid or something like that, it's handy to have. A water purifier. We weren't really going anywhere that we required it, but we brought one just in case, or just to see how things would pack up. And some mosquito repellent. And that was what was all on his side. Okay, now I'll show you what I had on my side. I too, same sleeping bag. Also, my air mattress is in here and my blow-up pillow. I had the poles to the tent. And on this side of the bag, I had, oh well, it's pretty stuck in there. First of all, I had a stuff sack. This had my lighter weight motorcycle jacket on in it. A blow through. So what I would do is, it's fully armored. I took the back piece armor out and put it into my Climb over jacket, and then if I was just wearing this, I would put the armor back in. I take supplements, so I had to figure out a way to bring a month's worth of lots of supplements. So I found this on Amazon. So I was able to stick a full day's worth in one little compartment, and then every day I just took them out separately and put them in a smaller compartment, but it worked quite well. I just had a loose sweater that I had taken off on layering. And then my stuffed sack of clothing. And then on this side was just a spare water bottle, just so we could have water in case we needed, or we were out of water and we needed water. So always brought some water with us. And that's it, that's on my side. The bags worked really well. The nice thing was, I don't know if you can see them here. Let's see here. See, it has this out compartment. So what was nice was we were able to place, like, we went to a hot springs one day and we were able to put our wet bathing suits in here, not until we got somewhere where we could dry them out. So that was kind of nice and handy to keep things separate with this wet. But other than that, the bags worked really well. They're BMW soft bags. And we'll probably do a better review on the bags in another time. But that's just what we packed for our 3 weeks and how we stored it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And until then, we'll see you on the road.